You're about to see something that construction companies don't want you to know about. Last year, a family in Oregon built their entire house without creating a single truck of waste. Not one. But here's the thing, they didn't spend more money, they spent less. How is that even possible? Stay with me because in the next 4 minutes, I'm going to break down the exact system that made this possible. And if you're planning any kind of build, whether it's a home or a renovation, this changes everything. Right now, construction waste is one of the biggest environmental disasters happening in the shadows. Here's a number that should shock you. Construction accounts for about 30% of all landfill material in the world. 30%. That's more than plastic, more than paper, more than everything else combined. But wait, it gets worse. Most of this waste isn't accidental. It's the result of 3 specific mistakes that contractors have been making for decades. Mistake number 1, poor planning. Builders order materials without calculating exact needs. The result? Excess materials end up in dumpsters. Mistake number 2, inefficient systems. No one actually tracks where waste goes or how much is created. There's no accountability. And mistake number 3 is the one that really bothers me. Builders simply don't know better alternatives exist. But here's where it gets interesting. 3 years ago, I stumbled across a family who approached their entire build differently. They called it intentional construction, and what they discovered was counterintuitive. By planning differently, not more expensively, they eliminated waste before it even happened. Not after, not during, before. Think about it. If you don't create waste in the first place, you don't have to manage it. You don't have to pay disposal fees. You don't create environmental damage. You just build smarter. And the crazy part? This method actually made their build cheaper. So let me break down exactly how they did it. The zero waste method has 4 core pillars. I'll walk you through each one. Pillar 1, precision planning. This isn't complicated. Before a single nail is hammered, you calculate every single material needed, down to the exact meter. Some builders use software, others use old school spreadsheets. Both work. The key? You're creating a material blueprint. This family, they reduced excess materials by 45% just with better planning. Pillar 2, strategic material selection. Not all building materials are created equal. When you choose materials that come in standard sizes that match your build specifications, you eliminate cutting waste. For example, instead of ordering 10 sheets of drywall and having 3 damaged in delivery, they ordered exactly what they needed from a trusted supplier. That's it. Smarter sourcing. Pillar 3, the waste inventory system. This one surprised me because it sounds boring, but it's powerful. On the job site, every leftover material gets logged. Offcuts? Documented. Damaged goods? Photographed and listed. Then, and this is crucial, those materials go to other trades on the site. Now, before you rush off to implement this, there are 3 mistakes that people make when they try to go zero waste. And trust me, these cost money. Mistake number 1, underestimating the planning phase. Some builders think, I'll just wing it and be careful. That doesn't work. You need documented, written down calculations, digital or paper, non-negotiable. Mistake number 2, not communicating with your team. Your contractor won't adopt this method unless they understand why it matters. Have the conversation early. Show them the cost savings. Make them a partner in the vision, not just an executor of orders. And mistake number 3, the one that actually surprises people, is choosing the wrong materials supplier. Not every supplier can handle custom orders or exact quantities. Interview 3 suppliers. Ask about waste management. Ask about flexibility. The difference between a good supplier and a great one? About 10% of your project cost, so choose wisely. Here's the bottom line. You don't have to accept waste as inevitable. Thousands of builders are already making this shift. Their projects cost less. They're creating less environmental damage. They're building smarter. And the best part? You can too. Whether you're planning a full home build, a renovation, or just a single project, these principles work. Start with precision planning. Choose your team carefully. Track every decision. That's it. That's the entire system. Now here's what I want you to do. Share this video with your engineer, your contractor, or anyone involved in your next project. Not because I want more views, though I appreciate it, but because they need to see this. The construction industry won't change unless people like you demand better. And frankly, you deserve to know that zero waste building is possible. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more strategies on sustainable building that actually save money. Thanks for watching. Let's build smarter together.